Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce healthy. Start by swapping whole milk for low-fat or unsweetened plant milk and warm gently. Whisk a light roux of 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon flour until smooth, then slowly add milk. Stir constantly to avoid lumps and finish with fresh seasoning like nutmeg and black pepper for depth. Taste and adjust salt sparingly for a lighter sauce. Use alternatives to traditional roux to lighten the sauce while keeping texture. A cornstarch slurry works great for a gluten-free option and gives a glossy finish with less fat. Pureed cauliflower adds fiber and bulk while reducing calories, blending seamlessly into the sauce. Finish with a couple tablespoons of Greek yogurt off heat to add creaminess and protein without separating, stirring gently until smooth and well combined. Enhancing flavor lets you use less fat while keeping satisfaction high. Sauté minced garlic and shallot in just 1 teaspoon olive oil to release aroma before adding the sauce. A small amount of grated Parmesan adds umami and richness, so you need less sauce overall. Serve with whole grain pasta, steamed greens, or baked fish to create a balanced plate that highlights the sauce without overpowering the meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.